offbeat travelers seeking an authentic, immersive, and therapeutic cultural experience amidst the breathtaking natural beauty of Kashmir Himalayas, look no further than Sagg Eco Village, an award-winning regenerative recreational adventure that has been called the hidden gem of Kashmir. It is the place where people burst into a spontaneous nostalgic singing spree. At Sagg Eco Village, you can choose to stay in mud huts, tents, or cozy dormitories and enjoy delicious and healthy foods based on natural ingredients and traditional recipes. You can immerse yourself in a variety of activities including ecotherapy, natural farming, pottery, cultural walks, hikes, and much more. Or you can simply choose to be on your own listening to bird song or your favorite music, or reading a book in the sun or under the shade of a tree, or just be with yourself in nature or around a cozy warm campfire. The raw village lifestyle experience at Sagg Eco Village will not only be a memory for a lifetime, but the holistic environment that's a unique blend of natural, cultural, and modern ethos will help you truly de-stress, heal, rejuvenate, and regenerate your mind and body. If you think travel is an adventurous opportunity not only for relaxation and recreation, but also for exploring new things and for personal growth, then Sagg Eco Village is the place for you. Click the link below or call us now to design and book your upcoming recreational adventure for a lifetime. See you there.